Manifesting generators are the dynamic powerhouses of the human design system, multi-passionate creators who combine the sustainable life force energy of the generator with the creativity of the manifester. This unique blend allows them to move quickly, adapt easily, and bring ideas into reality with remarkable speed and efficiency. They are natural experimenters, builders, and creators, often juggling multiple passions or projects at once. Their energy thrives on variety and excitement, fueling their ability to innovate and find shortcuts without losing momentum. With the right alignment, manifesting generators can navigate complex tasks, pivot effortlessly between interests, and generate tangible results that inspire others. Their combination of stamina, versatility, and initiative makes them uniquely capable of turning inspiration into action, creating abundant opportunities and experiences along the way. Manifesting generators are the energetic dynamos of the human design world, vibrant, adaptable, and full of momentum. Their fast-moving energy allows them to take on multiple projects, ideas, and interests at once, often excelling in areas where others might struggle to keep up. They thrive on variety and stimulation, finding fulfillment in exploring different paths and expressing their creativity in diverse ways. As natural multitaskers, manifesting generators can shift gears quickly and efficiently, moving from one idea to another without losing their spark. This flexibility allows them to adapt to changing circumstances with ease, making them excellent innovators and problem solvers. Their high energy and enthusiasm are contagious, inspiring those around them to take action and embrace new possibilities. When aligned with their purpose, manifesting generators become unstoppable forces of creation. Their ability to combine the generator's sustainable energy with the manifestor's power to initiate gives them a unique edge. They don't just dream about what's possible, they make it happen. With the right balance of patience and trust in their gut responses, MGs can channel their immense vitality into projects that bring them joy, success, and abundance. Manifesting generators possess incredible speed and vitality, but this very strength can also become one of their greatest challenges. Their natural impulse to move quickly often leads them to rush through processes, skip important steps, or abandon projects before they are complete. This impatience stems from their desire to see immediate results and their innate sense that they can handle multiple things at once. While this can make them efficient, it can also cause frustration and misalignment when things don't unfold as fast as they expect. Because of their fast-paced nature, manifesting generators are also prone to burnout if they don't manage their energy carefully. They may pour their power into projects that don't truly excite them or spread themselves too thin by trying to do too much at once. When this happens, their natural spark begins to fade, leaving them feeling depleted or unfulfilled. Learning to slow down and trust their sacral response, that inner gut feeling of yes, or no, is essential for MGs. By pausing before acting, allowing clarity to emerge, and finishing what truly matters to them, they can maintain balance and avoid frustration. When they honor their natural rhythm and give themselves permission to shift direction only when it feels right, manifesting generators transform impatience into flow, turning their dynamic energy into a sustainable source of creativity, joy, and abundance. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how manifesting generators align their energy to attract abundance. You'll discover how they can harness their multi-passionate nature, follow their gut responses, and move with flow to create opportunities, resources, and success effortlessly. Manifesting generators are naturally multi-talented and multi-passionate beings. Their energy thrives when they are free to explore the full spectrum of their interests, rather than being confined to a single path or label. Their curiosity and enthusiasm are powerful forces that fuel creation and attract abundance into their lives. When manifesting generators allow themselves to follow what excites them, whether that's a new project, hobby, or direction, they open doors to opportunities that others might never see. Their abundance lies in honoring all parts of who they are. By giving themselves permission to experiment, pivot, and pursue multiple passions, manifesting generators create a dynamic flow of energy that draws experiences, connections, and resources toward them. Each passion they follow adds another layer to their expertise and perspective, often weaving together in unexpected and meaningful ways. When manifesting generators fully embrace their multidimensional nature, they stop trying to fit into linear paths or traditional molds. Instead, they become magnetic creators who inspire others with their vitality, versatility, and zest for life. Their true wealth, both energetic and material, emerges from living authentically, trusting their gut responses, and staying open to wherever their excitement leads them. Like generators, manifesting generators rely on their sacral response, the deep, instinctive yes or no that comes from their gut. This inner compass is their most reliable guide, helping them determine which opportunities are truly aligned with their energy and which are not. When MGs listen closely to their body's signals, instead of making decisions with their mind or acting from impatience, they align themselves with the flow of life and open the door to abundance. The sacral response speaks through subtle sensations, excitement, expansion, or a full body yes when something is right, and heaviness or resistance when something is off. By learning to trust these cues, manifesting generators can focus their powerful energy on pursuits that genuinely light them up, rather than scattering their efforts across projects that drain or frustrate them. When they follow this inner guidance, they move with both speed and alignment. Opportunities, people, and resources begin to appear effortlessly because their energy is clear, focused, and magnetic. The sacral response ensures that every action is not only inspired but also sustainable, allowing manifesting generators to manifest success and fulfillment without burnout. In this alignment, they discover that abundance is not something they must chase. It is a natural byproduct of following what feels right in their body and heart. Manifesting generators thrive when they embrace flexibility and adaptability as essential parts of their creative process. Their energy is not meant to follow a rigid or linear path. It's dynamic, fluid, and constantly evolving. This flexibility allows them to shift directions, refine their focus, and explore new possibilities without losing momentum. When MGs give themselves permission to pivot, they align with their natural rhythm and keep their energy vibrant and expansive. Their abundance grows from this openness to change. Rather than viewing adjustments as failures or distractions, manifesting generators can see them as necessary course corrections that lead them closer to what truly excites and fulfills them. This adaptability keeps their creative flow alive and helps them stay connected to new opportunities that match their energy. When manifesting generators resist change, their energy can become stagnant or frustrated. But when they remain open and curious, they allow life to guide them toward the most aligned paths. By trusting the unfolding process, they create space for synchronicity, those unexpected yet perfectly timed opportunities that seem to appear out of nowhere. In this state of flow, abundance manifests naturally, reflecting their willingness to evolve, experiment, and follow where their excitement leads. While manifesting generators are naturally fast-moving and action-oriented, they often move so quickly that others struggle to keep up. This can sometimes create resistance, confusion, or misunderstanding in their environment. To maintain harmony and keep their energy flowing smoothly, it's important for MGs to inform those around them of their intentions and next steps. Informing is not about asking for permission. It's about creating clarity. When manifesting generators share what they're doing or planning, they give others a chance to understand their process and adjust accordingly. This small act of communication helps reduce friction and allows their relationships, collaborations, and environments to flow with their energy rather than against it. By informing others, MGs also strengthen their own manifesting power. When their surroundings are aligned and supportive, their creative energy expands, allowing abundance to flow more freely. Opportunities, resources, and assistance naturally appear because others feel included and inspired by their vision, rather than left behind or confused by their pace. In essence, communication is a form of energetic alignment for manifesting generators. It bridges their rapid momentum with the world around them. By taking a moment to inform, they create space for smoother cooperation, stronger connections, and a more effortless manifestation of abundance. Manifesting generators experience true abundance when they have the courage to release what no longer excites or fulfills them. Because they are multi-passionate and fast-moving by nature, MGs often take on many projects, relationships, or commitments at once. Over time, some of these may lose their spark or feel heavy and draining. Holding on to them out of obligation, fear, or habit can block their natural energy flow and limit the abundance that wants to enter their lives. Letting go is not failure, it's alignment. When manifesting generators consciously release what no longer resonates with their true desires, they reclaim their energy and open space for something better suited to their current vibration. This act of clearing allows new opportunities, people, and experiences to appear, ones that truly match their excitement and purpose. Abundance flows most freely when MGs follow what feels alive and inspiring in the moment. By trusting that it's safe to pivot or change direction, they stay connected to their inner guidance and remain open to fresh possibilities. Every time they say no to something that drains them, they're saying yes to something that energizes them. In this way, letting go becomes a powerful practice of manifestation, an energetic invitation for more joy, freedom, and prosperity to flow into their lives. Manifesting generators experience their greatest abundance when they are able to harness their fast-moving energy and natural versatility. Their multi-passionate nature allows them to engage in several projects at once, seamlessly shifting between tasks while maintaining focus and enthusiasm. This dynamic energy creates a rhythm in which ideas, opportunities, and results flow rapidly, making them exceptionally productive and creative. The universe responds to their momentum. When MGs follow what excites them and trust their gut responses, the right people, resources, and opportunities appear exactly when they are needed. Their speed and adaptability allow them to pivot, experiment, and innovate, often uncovering unexpected paths to success and fulfillment. By embracing their natural rhythm of rapid action, followed by recalibration, manifesting generators not only accomplish more than most, but also create a magnetic energy that draws abundance effortlessly into their lives. In essence, abundance for MGs is a reflection of alignment. The more they act in accordance with their passions and innate energy, the more the universe rewards them with the support, connections, and opportunities needed to expand their vision and achieve their goals.